So according to Keynesian theory, equilibrium level can be achieved at full employment level or underemployment level or over full employment level. So these three diagrams represent full employment equilibrium, then you find underemployment equilibrium and over full employment equilibrium. So let us discuss this. So in the first diagram you find full employment equilibrium. The full employment equilibrium, because aggregate demand EQ is equal to full employment level of output OQ. EQ is equal to OQ. So at OQ level of output, all those who are willing to work at the prevailing wage rate are able to find employment. So there is no involuntary unemployment at this level. The next we'll see underemployment equilibrium. It refers to the situation when the aggregate demand is equal to the aggregate supply, when the resources are not fully employed. So here you can see at point F, AD1 is equal to AS, which is lower than full employment level. AD1 is lower than full employment level. You can see the full employment level. So here you find this lies below the AD, full employment AD. So at point F you find underemployment equilibrium. Look at the diagram. So that is actually taking place. So that is why it is written AD1 actual. So OQ1 is less than OQ. Look at x-axis, you will know that OQ1 is less than OQ. So point F signifies the underemployment equilibrium. At point F you have underemployment equilibrium at OQ1 level of output. Now let's see the next one, over full employment equilibrium. When AD is equal to AS beyond the full employment level, you can see the full employment level represented by AD. Then AD1 lies above AD. The AD1 is actual. So at point G you find over full employment equilibrium. So higher than full employment level. So over full employment equilibrium signifies that planned expenditure is equal to planned output at a high level higher than full employment level. So what happens? At that time you find there will be increase in general price level. So at just this there will be increase in price level. But in reality, actual output cannot increase beyond this level as economy is already at full employment and there is no idle capacity.